Welcome, and for now I'm using ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle. Which looks like it's disabled by default, so let me see that under the pencil icon. Either I can't see it or it's not in the toggles at all for some reason. So anyway, to combat this, let's just go into the settings and then find the battery section right here, where you will find the option, which for some reason isn't in the notifications. So we have right now by default turn on the adaptive battery, limit battery usage for frequently used applications. We have low battery power saving, some scheduled power saving mode. This is all the default settings that you can find right here. Now there is system mode, which does allow you to set up different kinds of power saving mode here. So apart from power saving modes, we also have boosts, so it will consume more battery. So dynamic as an example, which optimizes performance for daily use, which means that it basically learns how to use the device and tries to optimize it to the fullest potential. So for instance, if you, as an example, open up some kind of application around same time every day, the device will learn that and it will preload that application before you open it up. But then if it knows that you don't use that application later on, it just terminates it from the background and gets rid of it. We have durable, robust performance for long use. So this is I guess closest thing to a power saving mode. Then we have super power saving mode, I guess, equivalent of it, which this probably will change the device performance. Oh, it looks like already is enabled. Now additionally, you can see that there are these gear icons for settings here, which you can go in and change different things about this mode. So as you can see, by default, basically everything is turned off. So we have force turn off hyper focus, some background stuff, force turn off dual band Wi-Fi, set the display to 60 Hz, which is probably one of the ones that will hurt you a lot when you experience 60 Hz again, but will give you a decent amount of battery, and so on. So you can choose which options you want to have enabled and which ones you don't. And additionally, you have also the adaptive option right here, which gives you just an insane amount of customization over how the device performs. So you can see performance, we have thermal limits, we have CPU performances, GPU performances, RAM. So basically if it's on low, it's going to save a little bit more battery. On high, it's going to be consuming more battery. And yeah, additionally, you will find certain toggles right here that are in the power saving mode, but you will also find different ones that are not. So yeah, you can go in here and see which options you want to sacrifice for a longer battery. So anyway, from here you can simply leave this, and as you can see right now the power saving mode is enabled, which you can see by this icon. And when you're done with it, I believe we can just simply tap right here, and it brings us back to the settings for different modes, and we can set it to whatever we want. So dynamic was the normal one that the device comes with. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.